lock my world with keys, hiding dreams in memory. But every vault can turn to dust when trust is forged in fragile trust. They stole my name, they guessed my code, they chased me down a broken road. But now I sing a different rhyme. My secret lives beyond the time. The secret never said, can't be stolen, can't be read. No one holds it in their head, but it still unlocks instead. No more whispers left to trace, just a rhythm, just a pace. 'Cause the secret never said is the one they can't replace. No single key, no silent vault, no frozen hash, no hidden fall. Just pieces dancing side by side, one on your phone, one deep inside. They think they've won when they get in, but there's no prize, there's just the spin. A puzzle locked in zero trust, where code and kindness never rust. The secret never said, can't be stolen, can't be read. No one holds it in their head, but it still unlocks instead. No more whispers left to trace, just a rhythm, just a pace. 'Cause the secret never said is the one they can't replace. It's not in the cloud, it's not on the chain. It's built in your hands, your breath, your name. They can't replay what they never caught. This trust is forged, not sold or bought. The secret never said, can't be broken, can't be bled. Even if you're filled with dread, it will never lose its thread, it will never lose its shred. Let them try, let this thread, let them chase. There's no map, there's no place. 'Cause the secret never said is the one they can't replace. BlockSmith, where your silence is strength and your rhythm is your shield.